Guys, how you doing today? I have a BMW X7. The soft close for the door is not working. It's like I'm gonna show you. It's like when you push the door slightly, and it's gonna close by itself. Let me show you. Slightly. Now close by itself. Try again. Slightly. And now close by itself. For the right front, which is the passenger front, is not working. So when you close it slightly, it's still like that. It's not closing itself. It's supposed to close itself. So today I'm gonna show you what's causing the problem. This soft close door system. That's this part right here. So it's inside the door panel. You will have to remove the door panel to get access to the soft close door system, which is I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So the first thing to remove is this little tweeter. You just grab it, you just clip on, and you disconnect it and take it out. Now we're gonna be looking at the screws. You have screws over here behind the door handle. And you have also screws right here. One, two. I think there's 3 of them. So you're gonna have to remove these screws. There's one, this cover right here. You have to pop it off and remove it. There's another cover here. You're gonna pop it off and remove it. You're gonna remove this little cover. There's screws behind it. Screws behind this little cover. You're gonna pry it out and remove it. Pry this thing out also and remove it, and then I will show you. So you just use plastic tools for the wrench to remove these covers. All of them you have to remove these covers with plastic tool because you don't want to damage the leather at the door. First of all, you put this one, pry under it, pop out. Now you're gonna find the screws inside this. See, that's T20. This is one. Now we're gonna remove the one behind this door, the handle, and the one on the door handle right here. There's a cover. I see this cover, the way shape it out. I'm gonna remove it too. For this one, you gotta use like pick, fit it behind it. See at the door handle, you pop it off. Once you pop the cover off, see there's 2 screws down there. It's still a T20. It's a Torx T20. And for this one, like this pick, you pull the pick behind it, and then you pop it off. There's another screw right here, another T20. So you're gonna have 2 over here. That's 2. Right here, that's 3. And right here, that's 4. On the bottom of the door, in the bottom of the door, that's 5. That's 6. So you have to remove all that 6 screws before you pop the door panel off. You either gotta use a screwdriver, Torx, which is I say T20. Just like unscrew them. Right now, gonna use like a magnet just to put them. This one. There's another one here. Okay, this is all you have to remove. First, to pop off the door panel. These covers, 3 of them, and the screws. So now you're gonna use like a plastic tool. You wedge it behind this tool. Oh, I forget, there's one more. There's one more. And you gotta go behind the door panel right here, this little cover. That's another one. You pop it out, and there's another screw right here. This screws out. After that, you put this like a plastic tool behind the door panel so that you're gonna pull out without hardening it, and then to pop the door panel off. Replace all the clips that broken when you put it back in. Total that, guys, you have to remove 8 T screws. So after that, with the tool right here, you pry it out, and the door cover, the door panel gonna pop off, and you have to pull up in it and remove it. Like that. Open it. Now you remove it. Just remove this little tag. So now you disconnect the harness for the door panel. Squeezing this. Get it off. And the cable for the door opener. Take it off from here. Open this up. Take it down. Now you have this gonna be like a 13. Too much. 13. All these with Torx T30 that it come out all the way around the door in order to pop this inner panel out. Unplug your motor for the window. Unplug all these wires to the speaker, and you're gonna take the door panel off. But remember, to take the door panel off, you have to deal with the glass, which is you have to remove the glass first. What you have to do, you're gonna come up over here at the driver's side. It's like an ignition on. Wake up the car, and you're gonna push in the button to wall the window half. Put the ignition on. 1, 2, 3. Ignition on. Wall the window to be at half. Okay. Wall the window down. Now you're gonna remove this trim, this inner trim that will come out, and this outside trim also that will come out. So to get access to disconnect the window glass from the window motor from the inside the door. I'm gonna try to just pop this cover out. Forehand, pop it out to get access to this trim. Right now, take the trim off, and we're gonna do the same thing for the outside trim. That's the inside, and we're gonna try to remove this. Be careful with this thing, you don't bend it or damage it. So remember, in order to remove this trim from the outside, you have to remove the rear view mirror. To remove the rear view mirror, you have to unplug it, squeeze on this tab, you unplug it, Now you're watching the 1, T30, 2, and 3. You release all these 3, and then the review mirror gonna come out. Guys, see, remove the screws. This one is out, this one is out. Now just be careful you don't drop the review mirror and pull the whole thing out. So I'm doing a little bit fast, so you could stop the video you check it again at any time. So now, because the reason you remove the review mirror is because it's been sitting on the trim. If you don't remove the review mirror, you're gonna damage the trim. Now you should be able to use the plastic tool, fit underneath of this trim and pull the trim out. Guys, from plastic tool we're gonna use this one, which is like a little bit wide, and we're gonna fit it behind this, underneath of this, like that. Just work it out, like I know, from edge to edge. Don't damage it. From the edge, get it loose, and so that you could remove it. As you see, if it's really hard, right here, if it's really hard, you could spray some glass cleaner in it to make it like a little bit loose. See, underneath of it, spray some glass cleaner to make it loose. And make it loose. See, you pop it. Let's pop it. We'll try by hand, you know, from this corner. Start from this corner. We don't want to get damaged. Now you're gonna release it. Really be careful, you don't damage. You could use a two hand to give it support. Okay guys, now you have to pull the window up like this way. See, pull the window up like this way so that you could see this tag behind the glass. There's two white tags that's holding the glass. That's one here and the other one is white.